What's going on, everybody? Back in the garage. So while we're waiting on stuff for Steven's car to arrive, it's time to put my engine together. Stock block bottom end, K20 A2 with a K20 head and SuperTech valve springs with I forgot, they're like stock Z1 head, Z1 cams or some shit like that. I don't know. I don't remember, but I'll figure it out and I'll let you know. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so just for verification, there is the stock number on the pistons on all of them, so you know it is a true OEM bottom end. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned off and measure it and make sure it's straight. The reason why I didn't have to do it on Steven's is because his came straight from the machine shop.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about.
Alright guys, so basically we're just going to be taking our straight edge across a couple points here and making sure we can't see any light on the other side. If we can, we're going to measure it. No idea where my flashlight's at, hang on. Alright, so I've got my flashlight. Alright, so we look good. I don't see any light through it. So, if you did, you would just look up the spec for the maximum allowance, and if it's out, then you got to get it decked. So let's go ahead and put the studs in. Alright guys, so I got some L19 head studs. So first thing I'm going to do is blow out all these holes. Make sure they're clean. Just gonna apply just a tiny bit of oil on the bottom just to help it through.
I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more, and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will, everything I'm working on every night.
Alright, we got both of our dowel pins in. Let's go ahead and get our OEM Honda gasket on. Now we can clean the head off. And once we get the head cleaned off, we can go ahead and make sure those fit over there. Those dowel pins. When we get the head cleaned off, we can throw it on. So come over here. Alright. Let's get this head cleaned off.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, no I'm never.
I'm gonna do one more test. And then I'll put it on. This is the water test. So basically I'm checking for any valves that might be leaking. So you do this with the cams off and there's no pressure on the valves. So they're supposed to be completely sealed. And make sure you put spark plugs in there. Now I'll just go through the hole. So I'll come back after I get done eating and I'll check it and I'll make sure that the water is still at the same level. You can sit there and watch if you want. To make sure it's on these deep ends. We are going to bolt these head bolts down. Now I don't have any of the ARP lube stuff left, so I'm just going to use oil. You can use ARP lube or oil. But if you have the lube, you might as well just use that. But if you don't, use some oil.
Yeah, let me take you back to when I was starting out on the come up. I was grinding till the sun up. My neighbors told me to shut up, but they couldn't see the bigger vision. Got no intuition, now my taxes more than that tuition. They see how I'm living and my idols becoming my competition today. I remember I was making under minimum wage. It was part of the story, but now I'm turning the page. And I got bars for days, but can't be locked in the cage. I've been underrated, overlooked like a speed limit. They've been trying to slow me down like I got a speeding ticket. I got demons I keep hidden in the back of my head. I'm not vegan, I keep feeding off the shit that they said. I've been living out my dreams while they stuck in their bed. I've been thinking like a king till the day that I'm dead. I remember when they never would've listened to me, and now I'm everything that they ever been wishing to be. I've been working overtime like every day of the week. I've been studying in school, already got a degree.
Alright guys, so I forgot we can't go any further with mine because these are just stock valve springs. I need to take these out, put my SuperTech valve springs in. So I had to get them out of this head. Obviously I'm not going to record this because it's just me taking these out. But once I get all these out and the retainers and stuff, we'll get back to this. Stay tuned. Alright, so you guys know the deal. I'm not even going to explain it. Taking these out with the air tool and putting the new ones in with OEM valve seals. So here we go.
Make it to a doctor, I've been working on my patience. I'm trying to make a living with multiple occupations. Coming out of the basement on the radio stations. I'm going face to face with all of my contemplations. I feel like God's gift and this is my celebration. I'm trying to lead the way for all the future generations. I don't want them calling on my phone. I've been on my way to the top, no ceiling. They leaving a message at the tone. Trying to get involved, but I really don't need it. I don't want them calling on my line. I know what they wanted and it's not no secret. I'ma tell them that I'm doing fine. Trying to get involved, but I really don't need it. I got old friends slowly turning into enemies. I got people in my life trying to block my energy, and I'm trying to keep my focus surrounded by Hennessy. People drinking every night, trying to fade their memories. I've been working on my mind, staying focused mentally. I've been watering my grass, trying to grow my money tree, not reacting to the...
Guys, we'll update halfway through. This is pretty boring, so I kind of just cut it off. So I'll get it back on when I'm on to my last one there. That's the update.
I don't know the chemistry, but I know that everything will happen how it's meant to be. From a small town, trying to make it out to better living. No reminiscing on memories and shit I was missing. No politician, but they listen to the shit that I say. On my way to better days, I never seen a delay. I've been highly debated, I'm never jaded to the life. Not degraded by haters who busy wasting all their time. I've been murdering beats and now they be calling it a crime. Working while the sun down, waiting for my time to shine. Now they say I'm rapping about the same thing every time, but I'm always seeing people with their focus out of line. I've been sending the message until they get it, trying to let them know time is too expensive, I can't never let it go. I don't want them calling on my phone. I've been on my way to the top, no see.
Alright guys, there it is. My valve springs are in. So tomorrow I'll go ahead and put the cams on and get this thing hopefully timed up. So from right there, I'm gonna end it until tomorrow. Alright guys, let's get back to it. We're gonna put the cams on. So I gotta take them off of this other head that I got. So let me do that real quick.
On my way to the top, no ceiling. They leaving a message at the tone. Trying to get involved, but I really don't need it. I don't want them calling on my line. I know what they wanted and it's not no secret. I'ma tell them that I'm doing fine. Trying to get involved, but I really don't.
Alright guys, I got the main part down for the cams. Now I just need to get this lube because this oil is pretty old. Lube it up. Should probably be wearing gloves for this, but it'll be alright. Alright guys, there it is. The motor, the top half is assembled. Next Wednesday, I'll put another video out of my engine. I will time it, do the bottom end, weld on the new bung, get all the stuff ready. Sunday, we'll do an episode with Steven's car. He has his wiring harness and should be getting some other things come Thursday, so we should be able to get back to that. And then we can send it down to TCS. So thanks you guys for watching, and make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. There it is right there. And subscribe please if you enjoy what you've seen. You're not gonna wanna miss the first startup of Steven's car, and hopefully my car soon follows. It should be, because we plan on taking them up together. So see you guys later, bye.
Okay, it's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so